all have that one thing we keep telling ourselves we'll do later. For me, it's usually studying. I come home from school with every intention of getting things done. I'll just take my books out, put them on my desk, and do it later. Yeah, that's what I'll do. You take a look at your books and you say, later. Later. I should be reading this book, but I'll leave it for later.
2 hours later.
But somehow, I always end up convincing myself that one little break won't hurt. It's just one TikTok, then another. Then another. Then another. And before I know it, an hour has passed. And my books are still sitting exactly where I left them. The funny thing is, the work never actually goes away. It just waits for me. So this is Daily, a productivity app that's designed to help you stay on top of your goals and daily tasks. When you first open the app, it guides you through a quick setup where you can personalize everything to fit your routine. Daily even has pre-planned plans that you can use. You can use these whether you are the athlete, the founder, the writer, performer, the student, the planner, the recoverer, or the early riser. Now you just sign your name. From there, you can create your own tasks and habits, get reminders if you want to, and organize everything in one place. If you feel like this app is for you, click the link in my bio and get Daily today.
What the dog doing? dog doing?